When you think you've made a mistake, use I'm embarrassed. In this case, Sean, correct me if I'm wrong, you made no mistakes. The guy has we won't get into it, but he had a history of saying he was going to do something and not do something. You had said, I'm embarrassed because the last 3 times we've done this, it hasn't happened. You put the onus on yourself, and at least he called you. Proceed. The key lesson here, guys, is when you use the word I'm embarrassed, people come to your rescue. When you're accusatory or say it's not my fault, they want to fight you. So go with I'm embarrassed. Leave your ego at the door. Say you're embarrassed, even if you're not embarrassed, and you'll find it's more collaborative verbiage.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.